Hey friends, time to read about the planet that is the furthest away from the sun. It's called Neptune, and it's one of the gas giants. Remember, the gas giants are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So if a planet is a gas giant, they're like made of gas, almost like a cloud. So you couldn't stand on it, you couldn't walk on it, you couldn't land your spacecraft on it. So let's read a little bit about Neptune. Okay, here we go. I know Neptune is super far away from the sun. All right, Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun. Neptune looks bright blue. So look how long it takes Neptune to make its way around the sun. Neptune's orbit is the biggest, the longest orbit around the sun. Neptune is a big ball of gases and clouds. It is called a gas giant. White clouds move across Neptune. The clouds often change shape. That's kind of like Earth. Earth has white clouds that change shape. Neptune is the 4th largest planet. Neptune is almost 4 times wider than the Earth. So if you put them next to each other, you could see how much bigger Neptune is than Earth. At least 11 moons move around Neptune. So crazy. We only have 1 moon. Neptune has 11. Most of the moons are small, icy chunks of rock. Neptune's largest moon is called Triton. It is made of rock and ice. Triton probably looks like the dwarf planet Pluto. Triton is one of the coldest places in the solar system. Neptune does not have a solid surface. It's made of gas. People could not live on Neptune. I prefer Earth. People cannot see Neptune without a telescope. Neptune is too far away. So if you've read some of the other planet books, some of the planet books, at the end, it shows you a picture of a bright star that's really not a star at all. It's actually one of the planets. But Neptune, you cannot see in the sky. You will not see a star that's actually Neptune. If you want to see Neptune, you're going to need a really, really great telescope for seeing things that are far away. So because Neptune is so far away from the sun, that's why it is one of the coldest places to be. So definitely we're not visiting Neptune. Not only is it made of gas, so we couldn't walk there or live there, but it also would take us way, way, way too long to get there. I'm talking years it would take us to get there. All right, friends, that is the end. I hope you enjoyed reading about Neptune, the furthest planet from the sun. See you soon, friends.